Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Calming canvas. The foundation of this bedroom lies in white stone. Imagine a smooth white stone veneer used for the walls, creating a clean and expansive canvas that reflects light beautifully. This fosters a sense of peace and tranquility, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Textural comfort. To counter the potential starkness of white stone, introduce contrasting textures for a layered and inviting feel. Think of a plush white platform bed with a textured woven throw blanket in neutral tones. Drape linen curtains across the windows for a touch of softness. Consider a chunky knit poof at the foot of the bed for added comfort. Pops of nature. Embrace the natural world by incorporating organic elements. Place a large potted plant with lush green foliage in a corner. Utilize natural wood furniture, such as a nightstand with clean lines and a warm wood tone. Woven baskets for storage add a textural element and a touch of the outdoors. Minimalist decor. Maintain a minimalist approach to decor to keep the space feeling airy and uncluttered. Hang a piece of abstract artwork in calming shades of blue and green above the bed. Opt for a sleek ceramic table lamp with a simple white shade on the nightstand. Display a few decorative objects like seashells or smooth stones on a tray for a touch of personality. Lighting design. Lighting plays a vital role in creating a chill atmosphere. Opt for warm, dimmable lighting sources. Install recessed lights in the ceiling for overall illumination. Add wall sconces with Edison bulbs on either side of the bed for soft reading light. Consider string lights hung strategically around the room to create a magical and inviting ambience, especially at night. Sensory experience. Appeal to all senses to create a truly relaxing haven. Choose a soft, high-quality bedspread and pillows for ultimate comfort. Invest in blackout curtains or eye masks for undisturbed sleep. Diffuse essential oils with calming scents like lavender or chamomile to add a touch of aromatherapy. Overall vibe. This chill white stone bedroom design is an oasis of tranquility. It's a space that invites relaxation and rejuvenation, perfect for unwinding after a long day or enjoying a peaceful morning cup of coffee. There are several compelling reasons to consider a white stone bedroom design for your sanctuary of sleep, peace and tranquility. Serene and calming, white stone creates a clean and expansive canvas that reflects light beautifully. This fosters a sense of peace and tranquility, perfect for unwinding after a long day and promoting restful sleep. Minimalist aesthetic. White stone naturally lends itself to a minimalist design approach. This reduces visual clutter and creates a calming atmosphere conducive to relaxation. Versatility and adaptability. Timeless appeal. White stone is a timeless material that never goes out of style. It creates a clean and elegant foundation that adapts to various design styles. From minimalist to modern farmhouse, neutrality as a backdrop. White stone acts as a neutral backdrop for your bedding, furniture, and decor. This allows you to easily personalize the space with pops of color, artwork, and textures to reflect your taste. Spaciousness and light. Maximizes light. White beautifully reflects light, making even smaller bedrooms feel more spacious and airy. This is especially beneficial in rooms with limited natural light, creates an illusion of more space. The expansive, light-reflecting quality of white stone creates an illusion of a larger room, contributing to a sense of serenity and calm. Additional considerations. Durability. White stone can be a durable material for bedroom walls, especially when compared to traditional drywall. It's generally easy to clean and maintain. Sound dampening. Optional. While not soundproof, some white stone varieties can offer a slight improvement in sound dampening compared to drywall. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. Temperature regulation. White stone can feel cool to the touch, especially in colder climates. Consider layering rugs and throws for added warmth and comfort. Maintenance. Some white stone varieties, like marble, may require specific cleaning products or sealants. Research the proper care routine for your chosen material. Overall, a white stone bedroom design offers a beautiful blend of tranquility, timeless elegance, and adaptability. It creates a light-filled, airy space that promotes relaxation and restful sleep, making it a perfect haven for unwinding and rejuvenation. Building your tranquil escape, a guide to white stone bedroom design. Here's a roadmap to guide you through creating a serene and calming white stone bedroom that promotes relaxation and restful sleep. Planning and inspiration. 1. Define your style. Do you prefer a minimalist retreat, a modern haven, or a touch of the farmhouse aesthetic? Browse design magazines, websites, and social media platforms like Pinterest for inspiration. Create a mood board to visualize your desired look and feel. 2. Measure your space. Accurately measure your bedroom's dimensions. This will help determine the amount of white stone material needed for the walls and decide on furniture placement for optimal space utilization. 3. Budgeting. Set a realistic budget for your project. White stone can vary in price depending on the type chosen. Factor in the cost of materials, professional installation, if applicable, furniture, bedding, lighting, decor, and any additional features like blackout curtains. Material selection and considerations. 1. Choosing white stone. Research different types of white stone like marble, limestone, or white quartzite. Consider their aesthetic qualities, durability, porosity, stain resistance, and price point. Consult with a stone supplier or interior designer for guidance based on your budget and desired look. 2. Stone installation. Decide on your installation method. Consider using white stone veneer for a more cost-effective approach or solid stone slabs for a luxurious feel. Hiring a qualified professional for installation is crucial to ensure proper handling and a flawless finish. Design and comfort. 1. Furniture selection. Choose furniture that complements the clean lines of the white stone. Opt for a platform bed with a low profile in a light wood tone or neutral fabric. Select nightstands with clean lines and consider built-in drawers for storage solutions. 2. Bedding and textiles. Invest in high-quality, soft bedding in neutral tones like white, light gray, or beige. Layer textures with a cozy throw blanket and plush pillows. Consider adding a fluffy rug for warmth and visual interest. 3. Lighting design. Create a layered lighting scheme. Utilize recessed lights in the ceiling for overall illumination. Add wall sconces with warm white bulbs on either side of the bed for reading light. Consider string lights or strategically placed lamps to create a calming ambience. 4. Minimalist decor. Maintain a minimalist approach to decor. Hang a piece of calming artwork with soft hues above the bed. Opt for a few well-chosen decorative objects placed on nightstands or shelves. 5. Sensory experience. Appeal to all senses to create a truly relaxing haven. Choose essential oils with calming scents like lavender or chamomile to diffuse in the room. Consider noise-canceling headphones or a white noise machine to block out distractions. Additional tips. Sample selection. Order samples of the white stone you're considering to see how it looks in your existing lighting and with your chosen furniture and bedding colors. Temperature regulation. If you live in a colder climate, consider layering rugs and throws for added warmth. You might also explore underfloor heating options for added comfort. Window treatments. Invest in blackout curtains to block out light for better sleep and create a more cave-like atmosphere conducive to relaxation. By following these steps and personalizing your vision, you can create a stunning white stone bedroom that is both serene and stylish. It will become a tranquil haven for unwinding, promoting restful sleep, and helping you wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.